Okay, this is my last video for tonight. Cause, oh, I didn't save, did I? No, I didn't. God dang it. I'm gonna go through this BS again. Go away, my BS. Bisexual serpents. That's what BS stands for. Bisexual serpents. Oh, I found it. What did you learn? That BS meant bisexual serpents. Yeah, doesn't, but who cares? Who cares? Screw you. Guys are beasties. Not even going to get everything. Oh shiz, they will. They will. They's monsters. They's are monsters. Oh gosh, you guys are making these memes. I was gonna let you guys survive, but no. Okay, you are the ones can. See how much of a butt whooping everything like takes? They insist of following you everywhere. Even where you don't want them to. They suck balls. Stupid wolves. I'm gonna laugh if they like really? No. Oh gosh. What? Whatever. Die. Gosh, I took a butt whooping. Oh my gosh.